I've not really been feeling myself of late, and don't mind my face. I want to make tacos this evening, so let's go get cabbage and carrot. Do you have a cat? For experience vlogging in the supermarket. J'ai allé au supermarché. So right here we are going to be exploring and checking out some fruits. So these kiwis are on promotion, and there's so much. I don't know if you know the health benefit of kiwi, but it's very rich in vitamin C. I think I should take one. I'm going to be getting the lettuce. Let's go and pay.
€5 dans le 4, s'il vous plaît.
Ah, d'accord.